Have you ever felt like your glasses were holding you back? I know I did. For years, I thought they were the only thing keeping my vision clear. But what if I told you they might actually be making your eyesight worse? Did you know that over 2.2 billion people worldwide struggle with vision problems? And for many of us, glasses and contact lenses have become a daily crutch. But here's the thing. They might not be the only solution. Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a leading voice in natural health, has uncovered some powerful, unconventional methods to strengthen your eyes, naturally. And by the end of this video, you'll walk away with practical, simple steps to improve your vision and reduce your dependence on glasses. Sound too good to be true? Stick with me. You're about to find out. But before we dive in, I have a quick question for you. Are you ready to take control of your eyesight and try something new? If you are, type "I'm ready" in the comments. Let's take this journey together. Alright, let's get started. The shocking truth about glasses. Let's start with something that might surprise you. Glasses aren't fixing your vision. In fact, they might be making it worse. Here's why. When we wear glasses, our eyes stop working as hard as they're meant to. Over time, the muscles in our eyes weaken because they're not getting the exercise they need. It's like putting your legs in a cast and expecting them to stay strong. Without use, they lose their strength. And the numbers speak for themselves. More than 2.2 billion people around the world struggle with vision problems. For most of us, glasses or contacts have become a permanent part of our lives. But here's the thing. What if they're not the only option? What if there's a better way? Dr. Barbara O'Neill believes we've been approaching eye health all wrong. And instead of just relying on glasses, she's discovered natural ways to strengthen your vision. Methods that are simple, affordable, and that anyone can try. Think about it. What if you could wake up one day and not feel chained to your glasses or contacts? What if you could feel your eyes getting stronger, sharper, healthier? That's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. So let me ask you, are you open to learning something new? If you are, type "I'm ready" in the comments, and let's dive into the first method, an eye exercise that might completely change the way you see the world. 1. Eye exercises for strengthening vision. Now let's talk about something you might not have connected to better eyesight. Exercise. And no, I'm not talking about going to the gym. I'm talking about exercises for your eyes. Just like the muscles in your arms and legs, your eye muscles need movement to stay strong. If they don't get enough activity, they can weaken over time, which is why so many of us experience blurry vision or eye strain, especially as we age. Dr. Barbara O'Neill swears by a method called rebounding. It's simple, it's effective, and you can start doing it today. Here's how it works. Step 1. Find 2 things to focus on, one that's close to you and one that's farther away. For example, you could look at a picture frame nearby and a tree in the distance. Step 2. While standing or bouncing lightly in place, you don't need special equipment. Shift your focus between the close object and the distant one every 10 seconds. Close, far, close, far. Step 3. Do this for about 5 minutes each day. It might feel strange at first, but over time, you're giving your eye muscles a workout they desperately need. Why does this work? Because your eyes are like any other muscle. When you switch your focus from near to far, you're training your eyes to adjust quickly, building strength and flexibility. Think of it as weightlifting, but for your vision. And here's the best part. This isn't just theory. People who've tried it, including myself, have noticed real results. Less eye strain, sharper focus, and stronger vision overall. One friend of mine who spends hours working at a computer said this exercise was a game changer for reducing his eye fatigue. So, here's my challenge for you. Commit to trying this for just 5 minutes a day. It's simple, free, and might just improve your eyesight. If you're in, type "eye gains" in the comments to let me know you're ready to start strengthening your vision. And don't go anywhere. Up next, we're going to explore a surprising connection between sunlight and eye health. You won't want to miss this. 2. The surprising connection between sunlight and eye health. Let's talk about something you might not realize is essential for your eyes: Sunlight. Now, before you worry, no, I'm not telling you to stare at the sun, but safe, indirect exposure to sunlight can do wonders for your vision and overall eye health. Here's why. Your eyes are an extension of your brain. And just like your brain needs sunlight to function properly, so do your eyes. When natural sunlight reaches your eyes, it travels through neurochemical pathways to stimulate parts of the brain connected to vision. This can improve focus, reduce strain, and even strengthen your eyesight over time. But there's more to it than just being outside. If you've ever gone from a dimly lit room straight into bright sunlight, you probably noticed your eyes struggled to adjust. It's normal, but there's a way to train your eyes to handle brightness better while reaping the benefits of sunlight. Here's a simple method Dr. Barbara O'Neill recommends. Step outside into the sunlight, but don't look directly at it. Instead, close your eyes and tilt your face up toward the sun. Let the sunlight gently hit your closed eyelids for about 10 to 20 seconds. This allows your eyes to safely absorb the light without strain. Then, lower your head, open your eyes, and let them adjust to the light naturally. This simple habit helps your eyes get comfortable with brighter environments and supports healthy vision over time. Think of this as a sun soak for your eyes. It's a small, mindful moment that can refresh not just your vision, but your mood and energy levels as well. I've personally noticed that stepping outside for just a few minutes during the day helps reduce my eye fatigue after long hours indoors. A friend of mine, Gabriel, who used to struggle with tired eyes, started doing this daily. He says it's like a mini reset for his vision and his mind. Now, I get it. Not everyone loves the sun. Sometimes it feels too bright or overwhelming. But that's why this technique is so useful. By closing your eyes and easing into the light, you're giving your eyes the benefits of sunlight without the discomfort. So, here's my challenge for you. The next time you step outside, take just 20 seconds to close your eyes and let the sunlight gently reach your eyelids. Do this once a day, and you'll start to notice the difference. If you're ready to try this, type sun soak in the comments below. Let's give our eyes the sunlight they deserve. Up next, we're diving into something just as important: how the food you eat directly impacts your eyesight. Trust me, this part is a game changer. Stick around, you won't want to miss it. 3. The power of nutrition for eye health. Now let's dive into something that's often overlooked but incredibly important for your eyesight: the food you eat. You've probably heard the saying, "You are what you eat." And when it comes to your eyes, that couldn't be more true. Your diet plays a direct role in how well your vision functions and how healthy your eyes stay over time. Dr. Barbara O'Neill explains that many common vision problems, like blurry eyesight, dry eyes, and even conditions like glaucoma or cataracts, are linked to inflammation and poor nutrition. The good news? You can take control of your eye health by making a few simple changes to what you eat. First, let's talk about protein. Every cell in your body, including the ones in your eyes, needs protein to function properly. The membranes around your eye cells are made up of about 50% protein, which is why it's so important to include high-quality, clean sources of protein in your diet. Dr. O'Neill recommends plant-based proteins like legumes, nuts, and seeds. Foods like chickpeas, lentils, almonds, and chia seeds aren't just great for your muscles, they're essential for keeping your eyes strong and focused. Personally, I've started adding more lentils and seeds to my meals, and I've noticed less eye strain and better concentration throughout the day. Next, let's talk about fiber. Foods rich in fiber, like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, are critical for reducing inflammation throughout your body. And when inflammation is under control, your eyes benefit too. Think about adding more leafy greens like spinach and kale, or whole grains like quinoa and oats, to your daily diet. A healthy gut leads to better overall health, and that includes your eyes. Now, we can't forget about healthy fats. Your eyes need these fats to stay lubricated and functioning well, which is especially important if you deal with dry or tired eyes. Foods like avocados, walnuts, flax seeds, and olive oil are excellent sources of the good fats your eyes need. I started adding avocado to my breakfast and a drizzle of olive oil to my salads, and it's made a noticeable difference. My friend Tom, who used to struggle with dry eyes after long hours of screen time, saw a major improvement just by incorporating more omega-3s into his diet through flax seeds and walnuts. Lastly, let's focus on whole, plant-based foods. Antioxidant-rich foods like blueberries, carrots, and sweet potatoes are packed with vitamins like A, C, and E, which help protect your eyes from damage caused by blue light and other environmental factors. I've made it a habit to snack on carrots and berries, and I've noticed my eyes feel less tired after a full day of work. It's these small, consistent changes that lead to big results over time. So, here's the challenge. Try adding more of these foods into your meals. Start small. Maybe it's a handful of almonds, a side of leafy greens, or a serving of lentils. Each small step is a step towards stronger, healthier eyes. If you're ready to commit to eating for better vision, type whole foods for clear vision in the comments below. Let's take this journey together. Coming up, we'll be exploring some natural remedies for common eye conditions, including cataracts and glaucoma. These simple, affordable methods might surprise you, so stick around. 4. Natural remedies for common eye conditions. Now that we've talked about exercises, sunlight, and nutrition, let's dive into some natural remedies that can address common eye conditions like cataracts, glaucoma, and dry eyes. These solutions are simple, affordable, and backed by real results. Let's start with cataracts. Did you know that cataracts, those cloudy formations that blur your vision, are essentially a buildup of unnatural formations in your eye? According to Dr. Barbara O'Neill, there's a natural way to help break down these formations using something as simple as castor oil. Here's how it works. Take 1 drop of high-quality, cold-pressed castor oil and gently wipe it over your eyelid before bedtime. The oil naturally absorbs through the skin and lashes into the eye, breaking down the cataract over time. Dr. O'Neill explains that castor oil has the unique ability to penetrate deeply and dissolve unnatural formations, making it incredibly effective for eye health. Now, you might be wondering if this is safe. Dr. O'Neill assures that when using pure, cold-pressed castor oil, it's completely safe and gentle. In fact, many people who've tried this method have reported noticeable improvements in their vision. One woman shared that after just a few months of consistent use, her cataracts had significantly reduced, and her vision was clearer than it had been in years. Even if you don't have cataracts, castor oil can be a fantastic way to reduce general dryness or irritation in your eyes. It's simple, affordable, and something anyone can try. Next, let's talk about herbal eye washes. If you're dealing with sore, bloodshot, or dry eyes, this remedy might be just what you need. Dr. O'Neill recommends using a combination of 2 herbs, golden seal and eyebright. Both are known for their soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. To make the eye wash, mix half a teaspoon of golden seal and half a teaspoon of eyebright with 1 cup of boiling water. Let it steep and cool, then strain it carefully. Once it's ready, you can use it to gently rinse your eyes or apply it with a clean cloth. This natural remedy can help soothe irritation, reduce redness, and even support healthier vision over time. One of my friends, John, who works long hours in front of a computer, started using this eye wash after struggling with chronic dryness and redness. Within weeks, he noticed his eyes felt more comfortable, even after hours of screen time. It's a simple habit that can make a big difference, especially for those of us who spend a lot of time indoors or in front of screens. These natural remedies aren't just about addressing symptoms. They're about supporting your eyes so they can heal and strengthen over time. Whether you're using castor oil for cataracts or an herbal eye wash for irritation, these solutions show how nature can provide powerful tools for better health. So here's my challenge. If you're ready to give these natural remedies a try, type "healthy eyes, healthy life" in the comments below. Whether you're dealing with dryness, redness, or something more serious like cataracts, these small steps can make a big difference. Before we wrap up, let's recap what we've learned today. From simple eye exercises and sunlight exposure to nourishing your body with the right foods and trying natural remedies, these are all practical ways to take control of your eye health. Imagine waking up one day and feeling your vision sharper, stronger, and more resilient. It's possible when you take small, consistent steps like these. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on living your healthiest, happiest life. And if you're ready to dive even deeper, check out the next video, where we uncover the top foods for protecting your vision from blue light and other modern-day challenges. See you there! Building a vision-healthy lifestyle. Before we end, let's take a moment to zoom out and think about how all these tips, exercises, sunlight, nutrition, and natural remedies fit into your daily life. Improving your eyesight isn't just about one big change. It's about weaving small, consistent habits into your routine. These steps don't just strengthen your eyes, they also improve your overall health and well-being. For example, consider your screen time. Most of us spend hours in front of computers, phones, and TVs every single day. While some of this is unavoidable, there are ways to reduce the strain it causes. One of the simplest things you can do is follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break to look at something 20 feet away. This tiny habit gives your eyes a much-needed rest and prevents long-term strain. Another tip is to stay hydrated. Your eyes rely on moisture to stay comfortable and healthy, and dehydration can make problems like dryness or irritation worse. Aim to drink enough water throughout the day and include hydrating foods like cucumbers, oranges, and watermelon in your diet. It's a simple step, but one that makes a big difference. You can also support your eye health by prioritizing better sleep. Sleep gives your eyes the chance to recover and recharge after a long day. If you have trouble sleeping, try reducing your screen time before bed or using blue light blocking glasses in the evening. You could also incorporate calming rituals like dimming the lights, reading a book, or meditating to help signal your body that it's time to rest. Finally, don't forget the power of movement. Activities like yoga, walking, or even gentle stretching can improve circulation and reduce tension throughout your body, including your eyes. Pair these movements with deep breathing exercises to increase oxygen flow to your brain and eyes. It's like giving your vision a little boost every day. Remember, these changes don't have to happen all at once. Start with 1 or 2 habits that feel manageable and build from there. The key is consistency. Each small step adds up to big improvements over time. If you're ready to commit to creating a vision-healthy lifestyle, type "bright future" in the comments below. Let's work together to make these changes and support each other along the way. Thank you for spending this time with me today. I hope you feel inspired to take control of your eye health and prioritize your vision. Remember, your eyes are a gift, and it's never too late to start taking better care of them. If you're ready for more practical tips, click on the next video, where we'll explore the best foods for protecting your vision from blue light and aging. Until next time, take care and stay well.